I'm very grateful and thankful to Google team and Kaggle. Because of them, I have just created the very first of my life application after attending the 5 days intensive workshop. So this is the program. It is, as its name explains, it assists the reader or students in their study. So we can drag and drop or we can browse by pressing the button. At the moment I don't have any book here, so we first have to bring some book, or we can copy, paste and drag and drop also. But let's see the functions. Browse, the downloads. This is the image files, JPGs. All I have scanned the book, 2 chapters only, 60 pages for the testing purpose. Control A, open. Now process build index to import to the application. We can also upload PDF files here, but for the first time I want to show that it can scan the pages itself. We don't need just the PDFs. It takes a bit of time to upload the files, as I am using my local machine, not using the cloud at the moment. We can ask it, as we uploaded the PDF files, we can ask it what subject it discuss the book. Basic on subject discusses physics. It delves into a branch of physics called mechanics. So this is my app. The same actions can be used from these buttons. Generate a quiz for first 30 pages. We can increase, decrease the questions. Summarize, no, this is here. Question: which branch of physics deals with the study of motion without, and here it comes with correct answers, etc. I'm sure it is doing good, so I am submitting it as for the comments and suggestions for my future learnings. Thank you very much everybody.